Max and Mr. Teng, and we are back at Math Homework Helper Studios with another Math Homework Helpers Shorts. Mr. Teng, did you have a nice summer?
I did. How was yours, Max?
Oh man, it was great. Got to the beach, spent a lot of time in a cardboard box on a shelf. It was the best. Anyway, what do we got going on today?
So in this series, we're going to do a little bit of homework help without a live audience, and hopefully we can get that going again soon.
Oh yeah.
But today for our first grade friends, we have our home connection from Unit 2, Module 1, Session 5.
Nice. Take us to it.
So what we're going to do today is play a little game called Domino Magic Squares.
Ooh, I love games.
So it says how many dots. What we're going to do is add the dots to the dominoes going down each column and then going across each row. Then add the sum both ways, vertically and horizontally. Do you get the same total both times? Is it magic, or is there a mathematical explanation?
Well, considering all math is simply magic, I love it all!
We did have a hashtag in a math office where it's math magic.
I love it.
It's a little controversial.
Ah!
All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Actually, want to take a look at our example? Let's look at our example.
Yeah.
All right, so in our example, we have our dominoes going across and we have our dominoes also going down. So when we add our dominoes going across, 3 plus 2, which is what, Max?
Let's see, 3 plus 2 is 5.
5. And then going down, we have 3 plus 3.
Oh, 6, yeah.
6. Yeah, we know our doubles fact, so 3 and 3 is 6. All right, so then we have going across in the second row, 3 plus 2 is
5
again. So then we have down the second column, 2 plus 2 is
4.
So now we have all of our sums here that we're going to add together. So 5 and 5 make 10. 6 and 4 also make
10.
So that's a good way that we can double check our math here, is that this answer at the bottom, in the bottom right, should be the same for both problems.
Cool.
Are you ready to get started?
Yeah, let's do this thing.
All right. Go ahead, take it away.
Okay, so we're going to go across first at the top. So we have 1 plus 4, and that would be 5. And then, if we go, do you want to go across the second row, or you want to go down now?
You pick whatever you want to do.
I get to pick. I love picking. Everything but my nose. Don't pick your nose. Here we go. I'm going to go across on the second one. Let's see. It's 2 plus 2. Oh, that's 4. And then if we go down, in the first column, it would be 1 plus 2, which is 3. And then 4 plus 2, which is 6. And then what do we have to do now, Mr. Teng?
Okay, so now we have all of our sums. Let's go ahead and add them up vertically and horizontally.
Ooh, vertically and horizontally. Look at all these words we got going on. This is awesome. Okay, so let's see. 5 plus 4 would be 9.
Okay, before I write that down here,
yes,
let's double check if this also equals 9.
Okay, so we got 3 plus 6, which would be 9 also.
All right, so then we have 9, and we checked it because 5 plus 4 equals 9, and so does 3 plus 6. So then we finished our Domino Magic Square. Is it magic or is it just math?
Like I said before, it's both.
It's both.
Woo!
All right, let's do another couple of them.
Yes, please.
All right.
More. Okay, starting in the top row, 3 plus 1 is 4. Second row, 1 plus 1, ooh, this is an easy one, 2. And then if we go down, in the first column, 3 plus 1 is 4. And then the second column, 1 plus 1 is 2 again.
All right, before we move on, how did that happen that we had the same exact sums? We have a 3 and a 1 and a 1 and a 1, but somehow we ended up with 4, 2 and 4, 2.
Well, that is pretty interesting. Well, I guess we have to look at it from going across the top and then down the bottom. On the top row and the first column, it's the same thing.
It's the same thing. We have 3 and 1 and we have 3 and 1. And then the next thing we have is 1 and 1 and we have 1 and 1. So we're actually adding up the same numbers, just maybe a little bit in different order.
That's pretty cool.
So let's go ahead and finish this up. We have 4 and 2.
That's 6.
That's 6. And we have 4 plus 2.
That's 6.
We had the same number. So that kind of made that a little easier for us. And we got 6.
Woo! Can we do one more, Mr. Teng?
Let's do one more.
All right, here we go.
Oh,
wait
boy.
a minute. What the bejeebies? It's not finished.
Go ahead, Max.
It's broken.
Why is it broken?
There's no dot in one of them.
There's no dot. So what does that mean?
That means... Oh, I see where we're going with this. That means it would be a 0.
0.
Oh, okay. Here we go. So we're going to go across the top first. 2 plus 0 is 2. And then if we go down the first column, 2 plus 1 is 3. And then if we go across the bottom row, 1 plus 4 is 5. And then if we go down the second column, 0 plus 4 is 4.
Now, boys and girls, the way Max did this, he went across first, then he went down, then he went across again, then he went down again. Does it matter, Max, what order you do it in?
I don't think so.
It does not matter what order you do it in.
Okay, good.
As long as you're making sure you're adding the right way and the right numbers.
Okie
Which
dokies.
Max did perfectly here. So let's go ahead and finish this up. 2 plus 5.
Let's see. 7.
And 3 plus 4.
Wait a minute, that's also 7. It does work out. I wasn't sure there for a second, but it's right.
Yeah, because Max, you were really concerned about this broken domino over here.
I sure was. To send it back to the factory.
All right. So next week we'll definitely do a little bit more with these, and we'll try to challenge ourselves a little bit and make them a little harder.
Ooh, sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
Well, boys and girls, that's going to do it for today. So thank you so much for watching this Math Homework Helper Short with me and Mr. Teng, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. Take care.
Math Homework Helpers, oh yeah!